Hey, it's Alex Willson from Sunnyland Farms out here in our groves on a hot and humid Thursday morning. Just kind of giving you an update of what's going on with pecan trees currently. So currently we are in, we've just finished our pollination stage and we're starting to see the crop set. So if you can see right here, you start seeing little pecans, and ideally those are going to spend the next few months growing and then filling out to be our crop that we'll start harvesting here in October. So currently right now we're irrigating when need be, when it's not raining enough. We're also in the process of pruning the trees. So trees, especially trees like this younger one, you want to grow up so they're easier to shake, so they don't have a lot of low-hanging limbs. And so that's what's going on down at the farm.